Hello fans, welcome back to Kustom RC Krawlers. This is the lights that came off the transporter. Now, this thing had its own board to where the lights came on. And because I showed you I am putting regular RC electrics in there, I'm using a 3-channel radio. So I'm going to use the 3rd channel to have this thing come on by itself. Now, what I'm going to use right over here, I got a switch, a micro servo, and a universal circuit board. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a switch, activation switch that uses so when I have the radio in my hand, I press the 1 buttons for the 3rd channel, which I'm going to show you right here on the radio. Right here. I don't know if you can see that good. There's 2 buttons there. That will work the 3rd channel. So that will turn the lights on and off. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that and show you the assembly right when I'm done with the wiring. Plus 2, I noticed that on the kit here, I'm going to use a pencil tip to point for you. Right here, they did not solder and use heat shrink on that. This company just twisted the wires and used hot glue. I mean, hot glue does work, but that's not a professional job for Kustom RC Krawlers. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up the soldering iron and go ahead and work on this assembly here. All right, I got the switch set up with the wires and got the servo mounted and made my own little plate for everything to go. This I got right here. You see that I have one of these little test units on here. This is what you use for testing servos and also calibrates them. But what I'm going to do is use this to show you this is what's going to work. These wires, one's going to go to the battery, one's going to go to the lights. So as you see, it is working. Hear that clicking? That clicking means that it's going to be turning the lights on. So this is where I'm at right now. So here we are. I got the wires all soldered on there, got them hooked up. Now I just got to make the connections to new setups to go to the lights, and then make a connector for the battery pack. Okay, right here, there's the original connector went to the battery, and there's the connector that goes to the lights. And I got the wires right here. So what I'm going to do is that the one to the battery, I'm just going to go ahead and just do a solder connection, joint connection, and heat shrink it. But I'm going to still, I'm going to replace these wires because I do not like, bring this closer, that setup right there. I want to have those on heat shrink and all run the same gauge, because if you can see, there's 2 different gauges here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to clip those off right at the ends there, twist them together, tint them, hook them up to these wires here, and plug the battery in, and we're going to show you that the lights are going to come on. So here we go. I'm going to be doing that right now, hooking that up. Okay, here we are. This is where I'm at now. I had to use my own lights because the last ones that came with it, when I hooked the battery up, it blew. I used the original battery connecting wires to make it easier to recharge the battery. But here's my switch setup I made with the servo. So what I'm going to show you is what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to hook up the little device that I have here that is used for whenever you test servos. I'm going to hook that up right now. So there you are. You see the servo moving. I'm going to put the lights up there. Now I'm going to turn the knob here. And look at that. We got headlights. So now I'm going to hook this up to the radio, get it calibrated, get it all set up, and mount it inside the cab. So that's what I'm going to work on now. There'll be another video. This is video number 3. Like I said, there's going to be several videos to this setup I'm doing. So there we are. I got powerful headlamps on there. It's going to have working lights, like how it was originally with, but brighter lights to shine at night. So this is Kustom RC Krawlers. This is video number 3. Please subscribe to my videos. Give me likes, because the more views I get, the more videos I can make. And the more that you show Kustom RC Krawlers, customizing different RCs or custom building the thing. Right here, here's the custom built. I changed the lights. I have a servo switch to turn the lights on, using a 3-channel controller for that. Thank you for watching, and be ready for video number 4.